let's write the code to scroll the elements top, bottom, or particular up to particular elements. So let's go to PyCharm and here go to your projects and directory, right click new file. You can give the name as test underscore scroll.robot and hit enter. It will get created. So in this particular video we use two sections, setting and test cases. We need Selenium library, so we imported that test cases. We can give this test name as scroll test. So here we are opening the browser, maximizing the browser. Then by two way we can scroll by using execute javascript window scroll. We can give here any pixels, horizontal comma vertical. So here we can use scroll up 0 comma 1500 pixels, or we can mention the name javascript window scroll 0 to document.body.scrollHeight, or if you negative that minus document.body.scrollHeight, then it will go to for bottom we can use 0 comma this document.body.scrollHeight, and for top 0 comma minus document.body.scrollHeight. So using javascript and scroll element into view path, we can scroll it. So let's understand the use cases. Go to first of all we are opening the this Wikipedia page. Then we try to go up 0 comma 1500 pixels. So approximately it will come not exact, but it will come less. Then we try to go to bottom, then we try to go to up or top. So let's go to our script by using two methods, javascript window scroll or scroll element into view. We can scroll these elements. So very first, so execute javascript window dot scroll 0 comma 1500. So 0 comma 1500 is nothing but horizontal comma vertical resolutions. So we will get there. Suppose you want scroll up to a particular element. Suppose we want to scroll the up to this common section. So you can go inspect and copy xpath. So here we have the code. Right click, on that code, copy, then xpath, then go to your PyCharm, and here you can paste this xpath so that it will be scroll up to that xpath. Then we need a particular element, right? So we can did this. So scroll to the bottom we can use javascript, but so normal scroll element into view we can use, and javascript you can use to get the bottom or top. Then again execute javascript window scroll 0 comma document body dot scroll height. This will be scroll to the bottom, then give this leaf. Then execute javascript window scroll to 0 comma minus document dot body scroll height. It will be get top again. Then you can close the browsers. So this is about the code of this particular. Let's try to execute this. Then go to command robot automation slash test underscore scroll dot robot. So click enter. So here you can see our website, Wikipedia website is going to open. So it takes some time that it will be get open. Yes, our test case is getting executing. You can see here our website is opening. After opening, it will get maximized. website is opened, now it will get maximized. Yeah, it's maximized. Then it will be scroll down. Yeah, it is down. Now scroll up, and then it will close our test cases. So we have commented that particular scroll up to element and scroll up to that pixels, but in yeah, so we have commented all of the scroll, just executed this JavaScript. We can comment this and you can execute this up to element also. So let's try this. So let's comment this JavaScript execution, and this also comment this sleep as well. Let's go and execute window scroll to. So it will be scroll up to 0,5 1500 pixels, then particular element as well. So execute JavaScript window scroll document.body scrollHeight. No, it will scroll to bottom, right? So we need to scroll up to particular element, then it can be used. Scroll element into view path, give the xpath. Then we try to execute this also. And then go to command prompt. Use this command test underscore robot. Click on enter. Now it will scroll up to particular element as well as first it will scroll little bit, then go to this element views as well. Our test case is getting executing. Yeah, our browser is opening the browsers. So after opening the browsers, it will maximize the screen. Yes, it is maximized. Then it will up to 1500 pixels scrolled. Then it will scroll that particular element which we find the xpath and given there, and then it will be closed. Okay, so we can see here, yes, our test case run and report is generated successfully. So let's go to report and check whether what's the flow. Yes, here a beautiful report is generated, all tasks are passed. Here we can use start time, end time, log files as well. So click on this log file, you can see here all test role also, name, test scroll, source, then start and end elapsed time, then status, then you can see all events one by one. First is opening browser, is maximizing browser, then it's giving the sleep for 3 seconds, then it is executing JavaScript into scroll up to 0,1500, then scroll element view also, it will also get executed. So we can see a beautiful report is generated also. All task, one test case failed, not single test case failed, we have run one test case and one test case get passed, 0 failed, 0 skip. So that about the scrolling, you can open this browser and scroll up to particular element, scroll up to particular pixels, then you can scroll up to down, you can scroll up sides also. So in this code, particular code we have written, so we'll get all those things. Here we can give sleep to verify whether it is working or not, but it's not needed now. As of now we have executed. Okay, so let's start. Here not needed any Yeah, we can see here we do not need sleeve here. Okay, so here as this way we have executed like top to bottom, or we can scroll in particular page like top to bottom, bottom to top. So that's it about the today's video. Thanks for watching videos.